Hello and welcome to Tech Bytes. Today I'm going to show you how to use Overdrive to borrow ebooks and digital audiobooks. Overdrive can be used on a tablet, smartphone, or computer. For today's video, I'm using a laptop computer, but these instructions will apply to any of those devices. Okay, we'll start by going to the library's website, and that is at sjcpls.org. Come over to the eLibrary dropdown and then select Overdrive. Once you're here, go over to Sign In. You'll find that button in the top right of the window. Then come down to this field titled Card Number. This is where you'll enter your library card barcode, and you want to enter it with no spaces between the numbers. Then click Sign In. And now you have access to Overdrive. To find an item on Overdrive, you can come to this search bar at the top here and begin typing the title, or you can search via subject, via collection, look for books and audiobooks that are formatted for Kindle, kids materials, or teens. So let's start a search. And you'll see here they have the item in audiobook format and they have it in ebook format. You'll notice at the top it says waitlist, and this means that the material isn't ready immediately, but you can place it on hold and you will be notified when it's available. To do that, you just click place hold, enter your email, and then click the place hold button down here. And let's find an item that we can borrow. Okay, you'll see for this one there is a banner that says available at the top. To borrow this one, we'll come down to the green borrow button right here. And when you select borrow, you'll be able to select borrow for 7 days or 14 days. When you're ready, click borrow. And you'll see success. You've now borrowed the item, and it shows you when the item is due, as well as how many items you can borrow from Overdrive. The maximum is 10, so now I have 9 more items that I can borrow. And when you're ready, click the blue download button to download the MP3 of the audiobook, or you can click this green button here to listen immediately in your browser. And the process for borrowing an ebook is much the same as an audiobook. We'll go here, we'll search for an ebook to borrow. Okay, you'll see the ebook format. We'll click borrow. Once again, you can switch how many days you'd like to borrow it for. I'll do 14. I'll click borrow, and you'll see the same download button. This time it's asking me to download the EPUB ebook format, and that's just a common file format for ebooks, or I can read now in my browser. And there you have it. Now you can download ebooks and e-audiobooks from Overdrive.